Before we start our lesson, please get your learning activity sheet week 8 in mathematics and your self-learning module in mathematics.
Good morning. This is Teacher Daisy, your teacher in math. Welcome to our new lesson, recognizing when two quantities are in direct proportion. Last time we studied about ratio. It is a comparison of two quantities which can be expressed using colon or a bar. 2:8 is an example of ratio using colon. 5:6 is an example of ratio using bar. We also talk about proportion. Proportion is when two ratios are equal. Today we are going to study about direct proportion. One lesson in your AP subject is to find the exact location of a certain place in a map. So you need to have a map with you to answer that lesson. I have here a problem to solve to find out direct proportion. Myrna, a grade 5 pupil, always do her learning task every day according to the instructions of her teacher. One day, while answering her lesson in AP, she found out that she needs map to answer the lesson. So, she asked her mother to buy map for her and for her two cousins. Each map costs 12 pesos. How much money does her mother need to pay for three maps? What did Myrna needs? Correct. She needs a map. Why did she need it? She needed it in answering her lesson in AP. To whom did she ask to buy the map? Yes, she asked her mother to buy map for her because she can't go out due to COVID-19 pandemic. She has to stay at home and need to study and do learning tasks alone with the guidance of her mother. Where did her mother go? Very good. Her mother go to church to attend mass for their Sunday obligations. Every one of us should attend our church obligation even this time of pandemic. Majority of people, especially those 15 years old and below and 65 years above, attend their religious obligations online via live videos. How much is each map? Correct. Each map costs 12 pesos. How many maps does she need? Why? She need 3 maps for her and her two cousins with the same grade level as her. What can you say about Myrna? What character traits does she possess? So we can say that Myrna is a patient and hard-working pupil. She can follow instructions clearly and do learning tasks diligently. Are you also like her? Very good. You should be like her to be able to finish all the learning tasks assigned to you. Let's go back to the problem. What is asked in the problem? And what are the given information? The problem asks for the total amount of money her mother needs to pay for 3 maps. The given information are 3 maps and 12 pesos. So, To find the amount of 3 maps, the given ratio should be direct proportion. There are 2 parts of proportion: the means and the extremes. The means are 12 and 3, while the extremes are 1 and n. To find the value of n, 1:12 is equal to 3:n. So 1n is equal to 12 times 3. We both divided it by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to n. And 12 times 3 is equal to 36 divided by 1 is equal to 36. So, the value of n is 36. The means and the extremes should have an equal product. So 1 times 36 is equal to 36. It is equal to 12 times 3 is equal to 36. So 1:12 is equal to 3:36. Both ratio are in direct proportion. Let's illustrate the problem by listing method using table. We have the number of maps 1, 2, 3, and its corresponding price 12 pesos, 24 pesos, and 36 pesos. You may notice that the number of maps increase as well as with the prices of each map. Since the number of map increase, their corresponding price must also increase. So we can say that the number of map is proportion to its price. Let's try another problem. Anna and Lisa sell banana Q on the weekends to help their family earn money. Their father lost his job, so they need to have an income for the family needs. For every 4 banana Q that Anna sells, Lisa sells 5. If Anna sells 16 banana Qs, how many does Lisa sell? Who sells banana Q on weekends? Why? Correct! Anna and Lisa sell banana Q on weekends to help their family earn money. Why do you think they sell only during weekends? Maybe because Anna and Lisa are both studying. They can't able to sell banana Q during weekdays because they have to do their learning task. Where do you think they sell their banana Q? Since it is pandemic and children like you are not allowed to go out, I think they sell their banana Q on their front yard. What do you think is the reason why their father lost his job? Because of pandemic, many factories and establishments were closed. That is why their father lost his job. What kind of children are Anna and Lisa? Both Anna and Lisa are helpful. They help their family earn money for their family needs. Is it necessary to help our parents earn money? Why? It is not really necessary to help our parents earn money if our parents earn enough money for the family needs. But if we know that it is not enough, we have to help them because it is one Filipino family tradition to help our parents and work together as one, especially during crisis. Let's go back to the problem. What is us in the problem, and what are the given information? The problem asked for the number of banana Q Lisa sell. The given facts are 4, 5, and 16. So let's find the ratio of the given number. The ratios are 4:5 is equal to 16 is to n. To find the value of n, for n is equal to 5 times 16. We divide both numbers to 4. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to n. 5 times 16 is equal to 80. Divided by 4 is equal to 20. So, the value of n is 20. We have to check if the proportion is in direct proportion. So, 4 times 20 is equal to 80, and 5 times 16 is equal to 80. So, they have an equal product. That means 4:5 is equal to 16 is to 20. So 4:5 is equal to 16 is to 20 is a direct proportion. We can say that two quantities are in direct proportion if both quantities change in the same directions. If the first quantity increases, the other quantity will also increases, and vice versa, which means if it decreases, the other should also be decreases. The two parts of the proportion, which is the means and the extremes, should have the same product to have direct proportion. And to solve a missing term in a direct proportion is the same as solving the missing term in equal ratio. Okay, let's try answering some exercises. Get yourself learning module. Open it to page 35 to 36. Answers week 8 learning task 1 to 3. You have 15 minutes to answer that exercise. 5 minutes for every learning task. Start answering learning task number 1. done, let's continue answering learning task number 2. You have 5 minutes to answer that. let's proceed to learning task number 3. 5 minutes is allotted for you to work from that. If you are done answering learning task 1 to 3, you can check those activities later. For now, get your learning activity sheet week 8. Answer exercise 1 to 5 easy and exercise 1 to 5 average. You have 10 minutes to answer each exercise. Try answering activity number 1 easy. Activity number 2, average. 5 minutes is allotted for you to answer that. Let's proceed answering Learning Activity Sheets Week 8, Exercise 1 to 5, difficult. You also have 5 minutes to answer that. Start answering activity number 3, difficult. If you are done answering, congratulations and thank you. God bless. Keep safe.
Happy learning, everyone! Bye!